Dear student, we'll start with a new exercise, that is 12.3. In that first question, find the area of the shaded region if PQ is equal to, what is, where is PQ? PQ is equal to 24 centimeter and PR is equal to 7 centimeter. This is 7 centimeter and this is 24 centimeter. Then we need to find, and O is the center of a circle. Find the area of the shaded region. This shaded region area we need to find. So in this we are going to find study the combination of different figures. So different shapes, combination of different shapes. See, it includes semicircle and a triangle. So to find the area of the shaded region, what should I do? First calculate the area of a semicircle. From that area of a semicircle, what we need to do? We need to remove the area of the triangle. How to remove the area of triangle? So for that, see, PR is 7 centimeter, wait, PQ is 24 and PR is 7 centimeter. Okay, now what we need to do? So we will do one thing. Angle in the semicircle will be equal to 90 degree. So RPQ is the angle in the semicircle. So angle in the semicircle will always be equal to 90 degree. So then this, if this is 90 degree, this will be hypotenuse. So to know the radius, why we need to know the radius? To know, see, because to find the area of a semicircle, we need to know R. How we will need to know R? You find the diameter. So diameter is hypotenuse here. If you find the hypotenuse, then we will be able to find the radius of a circle. Thereby then you will find the area of a semicircle. If you remove area of a triangle from the area of semicircle, then we will get the area of the shaded region. So now what we will do? In triangle RPQ, angle RPQ is equal to 90 degree. This is angle in the, this is because angle in the semicircle. Angle in the semicircle. Okay, now RQ square is equal to RP square plus PQ square. Fine. What is RQ square? RQ square we need to calculate. RQ is equal to square root of, what is RP? 7 square. What is PQ? 24 square, which is equal to 7 square is nothing but 49 and 24 square is nothing but 576. So 49 plus 576. So 576 plus 50, 626. Remove 1 from it, that will be 625. Square root of 625 will be equal to 25. So 25 centimeter is the diameter of the circle. Now area of the shaded region, area of the shaded region is equal to area of the semicircle minus area of the triangle RPQ. Fine. Now what is the area of the semicircle? Pi r square by 2. So 1 by 2 pi r square minus half into RP into PQ, base into height. Since it's a right angle triangle, one leg will act as a base, other leg will act as a height. 1 by 2 into 22 divided by 7. What is R? R is nothing but 25 divided by 2 into 25 divided by 2 minus 1 by 2 into, what is RP? RP is nothing but 7 and PQ is nothing but 24. We'll retain it. So 2 1s are 2 11s are. Okay. 625 into 11 divided by 7 4s are 28 minus 2 1s are 2 12s are 12 7s are 84. Okay. Now what we need to do, see, 11 5s are 55, 11 5s are 55. Carry 5. 11 2s are 22. 11 2s are 22 plus 5. 27. Carry 2. 11 6 are 66 plus 2. 68. 6 8 7 5. Divided by 28. Minus. So or else if I take a 28 as LCM, 84 into 28. Okay. 6875 minus 84 into 28. 84 into 28. How we will do it? 8 4s are 32. 8 8 is 64, 67. 2 4s are 8. 2 8 is 16 plus 3. 19. 2 15 16 2652 divided by 28, which is equal to 5 minus 2 3, 7 minus 5 2, 8 minus 6 2, 6 minus 2 4, 4 2 2 3 divided by 28 centimeter square. This is the area of the shaded region. Please note this down. So please wait. 84 into 28. I made a mistake. 84 into 28. 8 4s are 32. 3 carry. 8 8 is 64 plus 3 67. 2 4s are 8. 2 8 is 16. 2 15 7 13. 2 3 5 2. 2 3 5 2. Which 5 minus 2 is nothing but 3. 7 minus 5 is nothing but 2. 8 minus 3 is 5. 6 minus 2 is 4. 4 5 2 3 divided by 28 centimeters square. Please note the changes. Now second question. Find the area of a shaded region in the figure. Okay, this is a shaded region. We need to find this area. If radii of the two concentric circle with center O are 7 centimeter, one is 7 centimeter, other is 14 centimeter. So inner radius is 7 centimeter, outer radius is 14 centimeter. Okay, and even angle is given, that is angle AOC, that is center angle is 40 degree. What we need to do, we need to find this area. For that, see what we have. So R1 is 7 centimeter and R2 is 14 centimeter. Fine. And theta is 40 degree. Theta is 40 degree. Please wait. Okay. Theta is equal to 40 degree. Since there was a disturbance, I went to inform that the class is going on. So R1 is equal to 7 centimeter, R2 is equal to 14 centimeter, theta is equal to 40 degree. So then, if I want to find the area of this particular shaded region, what I need to do? First find the area of the sector AOC. In that, subtract area of the sector BOC. Then I'll get the area of this particular shaded region. So, area of shaded region is equal to area of sector AOC minus area of sector BOD. Fine. What is the area of sector? So for that, what we have, see, theta divided by 360 into pi R2 square minus theta divided by 360 into pi R1 square. So what is common? Theta by 360 into pi is common out. I'll take it out. Theta is nothing but 40 divided by 360 into pi into what is R2 square minus R1 square. Fine. 41s are 49s are. So 1 by 9 into 22 divided by 7 into what is R2? R2 is nothing but 14 square minus R1 is nothing but 7 square. So now 1 divided by 9 into 22 divided by 7 into. So this is 14 plus 7 into 14 minus 7. Can I write? So which is equal to 1 divided by 9 into 22 divided by 7 into 14 plus 7 is nothing but 21. 14 minus 7 is nothing but 7. This 7 will get cancelled. 3 3s are 9. 3 7s are 21. So answer is 7 2s are 14 plus 1, 7 2s 154 centimeter square. Area of the shaded region is equal to 154 centimeter square. Please note this down. Next, third question is very much similar to the previous question. You can do it by yourself. We will solve fourth question. Please look at the board. See, find the area of a shaded region in figure. Third will be homework. Fourth will be find the area of a shaded region. This is a shaded region in figure where a circular arc of radius 6 centimeter. This is circular arc of radius 6 centimeter has been drawn with vertex O. So O is the center of circle and it is a vertex of triangle, equilateral triangle OAB. This is an equilateral triangle of side 12 centimeter. Then we need to find the area of a shaded region. See what you can see first. How to find the area of the shaded region? You see, it's a combination of arc and equilateral triangle. Now, if I find the area of a circle and area of a triangle, if I add them, so what you'll get? This area plus this area, but this area will be duplicated. Means we will count this particular sector area for the 2 times. Now we need to remove this sector area 1 time, then I'll get the area of a shaded region. What does it mean? See, area of a shaded region, area of a shaded region is equal to area of an equilateral triangle, OAB plus area of circle minus area of a sector OPQ. Fine. Now, what is area of an equilateral triangle? Area of an equilateral triangle is given by root 3 by 4 into r square. Can I write it or not? Or else root 3 by 4 into side square. Root 3 by 4 into side square. Okay. Then plus area of a circle. What is the formula to find the area of a circle? Pi r square. That is pi into r square minus area of a sector OPQ means theta divided by 360 into pi r square. Okay. Now, what we have? Root 3 by 4 into what is side? 12 into 12 plus 22 divided by 7. What is r? 6 into 6 minus theta is, since it is an equilateral triangle, theta will be 60 degrees. 60 by 360 into 22 divided by 7 into 6 into 6 because r is 6. Now 4 1s are 4 3s are 12 3s are 36. 36 root 3. 36 root 3 plus 22 divided by 7 into 36 plus, not minus. 61 ja 66 ja. This 6 will get cancelled. 22 divided by 7 into 6. Now, what will get? I will take 36 in root 3 plus, I will keep it as it is. 7 will be the LCM. Now 22 will be common. I will take it out. 36 minus 6. Can I write it? Since LCM is same, I need to subtract the numerator. 22 into 36, 22 into 6, 22. I will take it out. 36 minus 6. 36 into root 3 plus 22 into 36 minus 6 is nothing but 30 divided by 7, which is equal to 36 root 3 plus 660 divided by 7 centimeter square. This is the area of the shaded region. Please note this down. Now, sixth question, a circular table cover of radius 32 centimeter. What is the radius? It is 32 centimeter. Fine. Okay, this will be 32 centimeter. Now, design is formed leaving an equilateral triangle ABC. See what they see. They are going to in the circular table. There is a table which is a table cover which is of circular shape. So design is drawn across leaving an equilateral triangle at the center. What we need to do? ABC in the middle, shown in the figure. Find the area of the design. We need to find the area of this design. So how we are going to calculate the area of the region? See, this was triangle A, B, C, and O is the center of a circle. Now, since it is an equilateral triangle, so it will be divided into 3 equal segments. If I join the radii, it will be divided into 3 equal segments. Now, what I am going to, this will be equal to 120 degree. Central angle will be equal to 120 degree. Now, if I draw, since it is an isosceles triangle, if I draw perpendicular to the base, it will bisect the base. Now, so what, let OM be the perpendicular to the base BC. Now, so since it is 120 degree, so if you draw perpendicular, it is going to bisect the angle. This will be 60 degree. This will be 90 degree. Obviously, this will be equal to 30 degree. Now, so what we are going to do? So find the area of a segment. So 3 into area of the design is equal to area of the design region is equal to, so 3 into area of minor segment. All the segments will be equal because since it is an equilateral triangle, so in equilateral triangle all the segments will be equal. So area of the design is equal to 3 times the area of the minor segment. Fine. So now, so in triangle OBC, draw OM perpendicular to BC. OM perpendicular to BC. Okay. Now, OM is perpendicular to BC. So now what we have? In triangle OMB, sin 30 is equal to OM divided by OB. OM divided by OB. Why I am calculating this? Because area of sector minus area of this triangle. To know the area of a triangle, I need height as well as base. Neither I don't know height nor I don't know the base. So for that reason, I am using sign relation. So sin 30 is equal to OM by OB. In this sin 30 ka value I know, and OB is radius of the circle, that we know radius is 32 centimeter. So 1 by 2 is equal to, what is OM? OM that I need to calculate, OB is equal to what? OB is 32. 2 1s are 2 16s are. Therefore OM is equal to 16 centimeter. Next, in this, again I need to find the BM. So BM is, see, how to find the BM? I need to use, since it is adjacent, I need to use cos 30. Cos 30 is equal to BM by OB. BM divided by OB. BM divided by OB. Now, cos 30 is root 3 divided by 2. What BM I need to calculate. OB is 32. Again 2 1 just 2 16 ja. BM is equal to 16 root 3 centimeter. Okay. Now BC is equal to 2 times BM because OM is going to bisect BC. So 2 into 16 into root 3 is equal to 32 root 3. This is centimeter, right? Centimeter. Okay. Now I got base as well as height. Now area of triangle OBC is equal to half into base into height. What is half base? Base is BC, that is 32 root 3. What is height? Height is, where is height? Height is 16 centimeter. 2 1s are 2 8s are. This is 32 into 8 into root 3 centimeter square. We'll keep it. Now area of sector is equal to area of sector OB, area of sector is equal to, this area of sector is equal to what? Area of sector is equal to theta divided by 360 into pi r square. What is theta? Theta is 120 divided by 360 into 22 divided by 7. What is r? R is 32 into 32. 1s are 3s are. Okay. 22 divided by 3 into 22 divided by 3 into 7, that is 21. 22 divided by 21 into 32 centimeter square. Now area of minor segment. So I need space. Can I erase this? I will erase this part. So before that, you please pause the video and note this down. So now area of the design is equal to, or else first we need to find the area of the segment, right? Area of the segment. Then we'll find the total area of the design. First area of the segment. So what we are doing, basically we are finding the area of this design. To find the area of design, since it is an equilateral triangle, the circle will be divided into 3 equal segments. Okay. Now the central angle will be 120 degree. So area of this design is equal to 3 into area of this minor segment. To find the area of the segment, first I need to find the area of the sector. From the area of the sector, I need to remove the area of the triangle. So for that, I have found the area of the triangle. Even I have found the area of sector. From the area of the sector, I need to remove area of the triangle. So area of the segment is equal to area of sector minus area of triangle OBC. What is area of sector? That is, area of sector is 22 divided by 21 into 32 minus area of triangle 32 into 8 into root 3. Okay. Now, so this is area of one segment, area of 3 segments. So area of the design is equal to area of the, where it is it? A design is from leaving. Find the area of the design. Area of the design is equal to, area of the design is equal to 3 into area of the segment. Fine. Area of the segment. So 3 into, what is the area of the segment? This is the area of the segment. 22 divided by 3 into 21 can be written as 3 into 7 into 32 minus 32 into 8 root 3. We will keep it as it is. So what I do, I will take 21 outside. So if I take 3 outside, what will be left? 3 divided by 3 into 22 divided by 7 into 32 minus 32 into this. Since I have taken 3 outside, I need to multiply with 3. 3 into 8 root 3. Can we do this? Now 3 will get cancelled. This is 32 into 32. 32 into 32 is nothing but 1024 into 22. So I'll take 7 as LCM. 32 into, since I have taken 7 as LCM, this will be 7 3 is the 21 into 8 root 3. Okay, now 1024 into 22. 22 4s are 88. Carry 8. 22 2s are 44 plus 8 52. 22 1s are 22. Okay. Divided by 7. If I do not take any LCM, so this will be 7 minus 32 into 3 into 8 root 3. Okay. 22,528 divided by 7 minus 3 8s are 24. 32 into 24. 4 2s are 8. 4 3s are 12. 2 2s are 4. 2 3s are 6. 8. 2 plus 4 6 7. 768. 768 root 3. Okay. So this centimeter square. This is the area of the design. So please note this down.